Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Odette from Barbie of Swan Lake in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys. And first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color and put on this item, make it light purple, and then you're going to put on this top. You're going to make it blue for the first selection and also the second selection and make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, you're going to go to the dressing room, and from this dressing room you're going to choose this item, just gloves only, and then this strawberry dress, choose skirt only, and you're going to make it blue. Okay, and then you're going to make it pink for the second selection and again make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this skirt and make it pink, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, you're going to put on this top from the Madoka set and remove everything but the gem. Okay, and for the color, you're going to make it pink, and then again you're going to make it glitter. Alright, and I'm going to put on this skirt. We're going to apply this pink color for the first section and make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to put on this dress as well. We're going to make it glitter and make it pink. Okay, and the last one, you're going to put on the heels, Madoka heels, and then you're going to make it pink for all the selection. Okay, and sorry guys, I think I need to change the color for the skirt. Sorry, for this one you're going to make it pink. Okay, you're going to make it pink and then blue for the second selection, and for the skirt you're going to make it blue and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, alright, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.